Hello everyone! Let's begin our lesson today with an interesting quiz. 5 cats can catch 5 mice in 5 days. If all the cats work at the same rate, how many days does it take 3 cats to catch 3 mice? Well, your answer must be 3 days, right? 3 cats catch 3 mice in 3 days. That sounds reasonable, but not correct. The answer must be 5 days. To figure out how we can get that answer, let's learn about direct proportion and inverse proportion. Direct proportion means that as one quantity increases, the other quantity will also increase at the same rate. For a better understanding, let's look at an example. Lisa shops in a store where everything only costs $2. If she buys 1 item, she has to pay $2. 2 items, $4, and 3 items will cost her $6. You can see that as the number of items increases, the total cost also increases by the same factors. And the ratio of the total cost to the numbers of items remains the same, which is always equal to 2. 2, in this case, is called the constant of proportionality, which means that for every increase in the number of items, the total cost will increase by double that amount. Let the total cost be y and the number of items be x. Then y will equal 2x. Generally, we'll have the form of equation for a direct proportion, y equals kx, where k is the constant of proportionality. In case the constant of proportionality is not defined, the relationship between 2 directly proportional quantities will be represented by this symbol. Inverse proportion. Inverse proportion means that as one quantity increases, the other quantity decreases at the same rate. Let's take speed and times as an example. In the 2-kilometer race, the result of mouse, snake, and squirrel is recorded in the table below. So you see, the faster the animals, the less time they take to finish the race. In another word, as the speed increases, the time taken to travel a fixed distance decreases at the same rate. Or their product of speed and time always remains the same. If we consider the speed as y and the time as x, we'll get y equals 2 over x. 2 in this equation is also called the constant of proportionality. More generally, we have y equals k over x, or y equals k times 1 over x. So typically, if y is inversely proportional to x, it's direct proportional to 1 over x. Alright, that's all for today's lesson. See you next time!